Hello and welcome to Cooking Cheap, Easy, and Tasty Meals. I'm John, and today we're going to make a low-carb pizza for two. To start with, we're going to put some almond flour in a medium-sized bowl and stir it with a fork to try and get the lumps out of it. Next, we're going to add our dry ingredients. We're going to add baking powder, salt, Italian seasoning, and a little garlic powder. Make sure you stir it well with a whisk or fork to make sure all the ingredients are mixed together. Now add the mozzarella cheese and stir it all together again to make sure the cheese is well integrated into the mixture. Now microwave the mixture for about 30 seconds and then stir it until you've got a shaggy ball. Crack your egg into a small bowl and beat it for a few seconds, and then add your cream cheese and mix it well. Add the egg and cream cheese mixture to the other bowl and stir well until it forms a ball. It will probably be fairly sticky. Either spray or spread oil on a sheet of parchment paper and empty your dough ball onto the paper. Spray another sheet of parchment paper and place it on top of the dough ball. Now you're ready to prepare your dough for baking. Use your hands or a rolling pin to shape the dough into your preferred shape for a pizza. Remove the top sheet of parchment paper and place the bottom sheet with the dough onto a cookie sheet or a pizza pan. I usually go around the edge and try and create a little rim to hold the sauce in when the pizza is cooking. Bake in a 375 to 400 degree oven for about 10 minutes or until it begins to brown on the edges. Then remove it and add your pizza ingredients. This pizza is going to have mozzarella pizza sauce and pepperoni and sweet jalapenos. Now put it back in the oven and cook it for another 8 to 10 minutes. And there you have it, a personal pizza for 1 or 2 people. Look at the crust. It's a nice brown crust. It holds up very well. This recipe creates a quick meal for 1 or 2 people, and it's easy to make. I hope you enjoy it.